this is Bidyut Vishwas and welcome to my channel Hidden Gem of Stock Market by Bidyut Vishwas. Friends, today I will discuss on a stock that is based on the defense theme. And you all know that from the last 1 week, defense things are highlighted too much. And it started from a Twitter, from series of tweets from our defense minister Rajnath Singh. And now the company name is the Bharat Dynamics Limited. Today I will discuss about the technical chart of the Bharat Dynamics and the fundamentals of the Bharat Dynamics and products of the Bharat Dynamics, and I will also discuss why Bharat Dynamics will be one of the major benefited company from these defense things. So friends, please watch this video up to the end, because at the end of this video I will conclude whether should we enter here or not, or what to do, should we wait, and if we will enter, then what should be our stop loss. Friends, before starting this video, I want to clear you one thing, that I am not a SEBI registered research analyst, so I don't have any authority to give you any recommendation. Everything I am sharing with you for only and only for study purpose. If you want to enter at these stocks, then obviously do your own analysis also, and you can refer my analysis as a reference to your analysis. But this is my request to all of you to please do not refer my analysis. Please refer my analysis for entry or exit purpose. Use my analysis only and only for study purpose. And also friends, if my videos are good and if you think it is helping you, please like my videos and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends also. And friends, if my videos are helpful and you want to get my update time to time, please join my Telegram channel, link given at the my description box. So friends, let's start Bharat Dynamics with analysis with its technical chart. Friends, this is technical chart of the Bharat Dynamics, and see it's from the last 1 month. It's in 1 month it's consolidating between 445 to 350 level, and it's consolidating exactly from last 1 month. And see, with this candle is tried to cross this level, but it's failed. But ultimately today, with huge volume, it is crossed this level. So we can see there is a breakout, good breakout with good volume. And see, overall at this zone, volume is too high. Volume is very good. Here, see here there is almost nil volume is there, but here volume is too good. So friends, we can say that this is a very good breakout with good volume. But friends, those who are following me regularly, they know I never rely on only short-term chart breakout. I always check the long-term chart, what the long-term chart actually says. See friends, is listed at the 2018. So before 2018 chart is not available. So that time also is high was near about 430 level. And see this time once is tried to cross this level but failed and corrected up to the 450 level, and again it's bounced back from this level. And see here is given, now it's crossing and staying above this level. So I can say that this is a all-time breakout of this chart. And see the volume development at this zone. It's the amazing volume breakout, amazing volume breakout. And this type of volume breakout never happen without any reason. So we can say this is a huge volume breakout. But see here, now its risk is slightly high because its closing price is almost 460, and I will put stop loss below the last low. So that is near about 410. So this is here almost 10% risk is there. So friends, risk, so you can wait for the correction, or if you can take 10% risk, then we can enter here. So friends, technically it's looking amazing chart, we can only say. This chart is amazing. Only this was is appropriate for this chart. And now product of the Bharat Dynamics. First, I will discuss what are the recent development at the defense sector. So we know at the 9th August our defense minister respected राजनाथ सिंह जी ने बहुत सारे ट्वीट किया, और वो ट्वीट का क्या मीनिंग है वो हम लोग बताएंगे अभी। जिसे उन्होंने ये लिखा है कि हम लोग 2015 से 2020 तक almost 260 scheme of such item were contracted by the TIE services and approximate costs of 3.5 lakh crore between April 2015 to August 2020. It is estimated that contracts worth almost 4 lakh crore will be placed upon the domestic industry within the next 6 to 7 years. So India, we all know that India is the one of the defense equipment importer from to all over the world, and India extending a huge amount to purchase the defense equipment. So it's a majority of these equipments are coming from the export, and some portion of it we are purchasing. India is purchasing from the domestic industries, but now India is planning to ban the imports of the defense equipment, and it's obviously it's not the one-day job. So that's why government are planning up to 2024 they will restrict almost all defense equipment from the import from import, and they will place order almost 4 lakhs crore within the next 6 to 7 years to the domestic defense equipment matter. So this is a very, very huge news. And now initially they make a list of 101 item which they will going to ban, and they will going to ban import and immediately. So within the next, so we can imagine that the Indian defense equipment maker will get 4 lakh crore order within next 6 to 7 years. So Indian defense industry will be huge if they will got this amount of orders from Indian governments only. So it is the huge. So we can expect a huge boom at the defense industry. And now, why Bharat Dynamics? Bharat Dynamics is one of the defense PSU, and they are making many defense equipments. And if we will discuss about their product, then it will be clear why I am selecting the Bharat Dynamics from the defense and equipment makers. Now, BDL is a leading defense PSU in India manufacturing guided missile system. The company has product portfolio consisting of surface to air missiles, which is and in short SAMs, anti-tank guided missiles, which is in short ATGMS, underwater weapons, weapon launcher, and test equipments. The company also undertakes life extension and reimbursement of missile system. Currently, it is the sole supplier of SAMs and ATGMS to Indian armed force. So now currently means they having many products. But they are mainly now supplying the a surface to air missile and anti-tank guided missile system. And so now see the what's the product basket from this. And we all know about the Akash surface to air missile system of the Indian defense system, and it's made by the this BDL only, Bharat Dynamic System also long range SAMs, medium range SAMs, and the missile 2T ATGM, and all the Concords M80GS, and the Invar, the 3 UBK 20 ATGM, and CDMS. CDMS is the microcontroller chip and flare-based airborne defense system. Thus, CMDS can activated by the pilot or the radar warning receiver of the aircraft. The CMDS provided protection to the aircrafts against radar guided and heat seeking missiles by dispensing chaff or playboats. Also making the underwater weapons also. And underwater, they also making the underwater cells also. And this year they got huge number of orders from the Indian Navy also, from the underwater guided missile system. And they are making for the, those are mainly for the anti-torpedo discovery, anti-torpedo decoy launching system, anti-torpedo system, submarine fire decay, and heavy weight torpedo and lightweight torpedo, and launcher for the Concords M80GM, and test equipments they are making. So we can see their product basket. They having the huge range of surface to air missiles. They having the surface to air missiles, and which they are already supplying to the Indian airports. Also anti-tank anti-tank guided missiles. These two are they are already supplying to the Indian ports, Indian Army, and they having now having huge product base for the torpedo and anti torpedo decay system. So for those also they are getting orders from the Indian Navy. So this means this is a huge, and they are making the weapons for the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force also. So this company obviously that the Twitter, and if Indian defense equipment making companies will got that much of order, which our defense minister already said at his Twitter. So obviously Bharat Dynamics will be major beneficiary from those decision of the Indian government. And so future of this company as per its product basket is looking very good. And also now conclusion, what conclusion we can do? Defense sector looking good for long term boom, as our defense minister says that they will going to give 4 lakh crore order at the next 6 to 7 years. So obviously it will also it will also get huge orders from the Indian government. And this year, as per their CMD's recent interview at some news channels, so they are now from this year they are starting exporting also, and also Indian government given them some targets of the 8 to 10% this year, and they will increase their export year by year, and they having some target from increasing their export. And now second thing is their debt free structure. They have been very limited debt at your book. And also now also as per their CMD's in recent interview, they are targeting to double their revenue within few years and planning for expansion also. And within next 4 to 5 years they are planning to double their revenue from their, and it will be obviously they will got the more orders from the defense, and also they are increasing their export. So obviously as their CMD demanding, obviously maybe it's visible, is visible clearly. It's so, and also there, if we will see the shareholding pattern. So let's show you the shareholding pattern of this company. That is very impressive. See, shareholding pattern, they were promoter is the Indian government, and Indian government is holding 87.75% of the shares. Only 12.25% is a public holding. And also within those public holding, mm, if we will see here, mutual funds, HDFC and LIC, they are holding the 7.53% of the stocks. So almost 87 plus 7, almost 95% shares, are more than 95% shares are holding by the promoters and the investors, means mutual fund and mutual funds, and like those LIC, like the insurance companies, they are holding only 4.72% shares are available to public only. So shareholding pattern also said something here. So very less amount of shares are available for public, and maximum shares are holding by the maximum public shareholding are holding by the big investors. So they and you know that these investor will not sell share shortly. So there is a very floating shares available for the public. And now lastly, the chart looking amazing, which I already discussed about this company. Chart looking amazing, though risk is slightly high, risk is more than 10% right now. So we can wait for slight correction. If it will correct slightly, then we can enter here. So overall, this company, as this is a major defense equipment maker company, and it's looking really awesome. As per the defense recent development, or as per the chart also, it's looking good. So friends, and this is all what I know about the Bharat Dynamics, and it is a total of my analysis about the Bharat Dynamics. Friends, now this is the end of my analysis, and I have one request for you. Uh, Now I am very new to the this YouTube world, and I know I am making many mistakes to presenting these things with you in front of you. So please suggest me at the at comment box that how to improve my video quality, and where which things need to add at my video. Please comment at my comment box, and also if you want some analysis on other scripts also, that's also you comment at your comment box. Obviously I will try to improve myself. Friends, now this is all about the Bharat Dynamics, and now bye bye, good night.